Hello student, this lecture we will understand the scalar product of two vectors. We are doing chapter number 10 today, and in this exercise 10.2 we have done 10.3 we will do today, and this is based on scalar, or it is called dot product of two vectors. Scalar dot product of two vectors. So student, if we have two vectors a and b, and if you want to find their dot product, so it will become like ab cos theta, where a and b is the mod of two vectors, and cos theta. If we have two vectors like this, theta is the angle between these two, so we can find a dot b. We can find their product by this formula, all of you. And you have to understand, all of you, if a dot b is equal to 0, then angle between these two theta will not define, and then theta will not define in this case if a dot b is equal to 0. So some observation we can see from this: a dot b is always a real number. It is a real number, It may be come in fraction, it may come in point. Real number it is. Okay, it is a real number. And if a and b be two non-zero vectors, then a dot b is equal to if and only if a and b are perpendicular to each other. If a dot b is equal to 0, it implies that vector a will perpendicular to vector b. Vector a will perpendicular to vector b, and because cos theta, cos 90 is 0, that's why it is not defined in that case. And if theta is 0, all of you, theta is 0. Third point we have here, this is second point, this is first point. If we have a dot b is equal to 0, if theta is equal to 0, all of you, so then it will be a dot b will ab, because cos 0 will be 1, so this will come a dot b is equal to ab. We will discuss some more observation based on it in our live class. Right now I am telling you one circle rule. If we have eta, j and k here, so how it will come? Always I dot I is equal to j dot j is equal to k dot k is equal to 1. It will, their value will be 1. And if it is coming I dot j into j dot k into k dot I, if two different unit matrix are multiplying, then their value will equal to 0. This is the reason. All of you, sometime you have to find cos theta, so it will come like mod of a mod of b upon it will come like a dot b upon ab, or mod of a mod of b. You can understand that I am finding this formula from its basic formula. What is the basic formula, all of you? What is the basic formula? You have to understand what is the basic formula. This is the basic formula. A dot b is equal to ab cos theta. A dot b is equal to ab cos theta. So if you want to find cos theta, so it will coming a dot b upon ab. This is the formula, all of you. Now this is very basic formula, and today I am doing some question based on it from exercise 10.3. So question number 1 we have given. Question number 1, exercise 10.3, question number 1 we have given, all of you. I am reading question from NCERT book. Find the angle between two vectors a and b. Magnitudes is root 3 and 2 respectively, having a dot b is 6. A dot b we have given, all of you. A dot b is its value is root 6, and with magnitude. Magnitude means mod of a and b is we have given. Mod of a is we have given root 3. You can read question from NCERT. Mod of b we have given 2, all of you. Mod of b we have given. Now we have to find cos theta. So cos theta formula you knows, it is a dot b upon ab. So a dot b means it is given 6, root 3 into 2, so it will come like root 3 minus 2, so it will come like root 6. You can write root 3 into root 2 upon root 3 into 2, so this will be cancelled out, and root 2, so it will become 1 upon root 2, because this may be cancelled out by root 2 times. 1 upon root 2, cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. So this is the value of cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2. You can write this is the cos, this is the value of cos, how much this is the value of cos 45. So 45 written as pi by 4, all of you. So theta is coming pi by 4 in this case, all of you, this is coming pi by 4. Now this is our required answer. We have to find in angle between the two vectors in this question. Question number 2, we have find the angle between the vector this and this. We have given two vectors, a is eta minus 2j plus 3k, and b is, what is the value of b? It is 3 eta minus 2j plus k. So you know that the formula of angle is cos theta is equal to a dot b upon mod of a mod of b. So you will find all these things and you can put it here when we are finding a dot b. So how it will come, all of you, this is I am writing it because this is the first question of the type. This is the question, plus dot 3i minus 2j plus k. This is the formula, all of you. So I dot I is 3 minus plus it will minus plus 4, j dot j, it will j dot j, and this is 3k dot k, 3k dot k. So 3 plus 4 plus 3, so value is coming 10, all of you, value is coming 10, a dot value is 10. Now we will find its mod of a. So mod of a will be, because this is I minus 2j plus 3k, so it will be 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 3 square. So all of you, it will be 1 plus 4 plus 9. Under root 14 is coming, all of you, under root 14 is coming. And mod of b we will find, it is coming 3 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square. When we are solving it, it is also coming minus under root 14. Now cos theta is equal to a dot b upon mod of a mod of b. You can write it as ab. So it is this is 10 upon root 14 into root 14. So it is coming 10 upon 14. So it is coming 5 upon 7. Cos theta is equal to 5 upon 7, all of you. So theta is equal to cos inverse 5 upon 7. This is our required angle. This is we have to find in this question, all of you. So these are very simple questions. You can try, and you can try its examples also, all of you. One more question I am taking, all of you. This is question number 3. Find the projection of vector a on vector b. Projection of vector a, we have given vector a I minus j, and we have given vector b, it is vector b is I plus j. Now we have to find projection of a on b. So it will be a dot b upon mod of b. So a dot b, first of all we will find, so it is coming 1 minus 1 yeah, 1 minus 1 upon under root b. Whenever you have to find projection of a on b, so it will, for this is the formula, a dot b upon mod of b. When you are find projection of b on a, so it will be a dot b upon mod of a. You have to understand. So projection, so mod of b will find, it is coming 1 square plus 1 square plus 0 square, so it is coming 0 upon root 2. So 0 upon 2 root 2 is 0, all of you. So this is our required projection. So the type of the question you have to do in homework. Thank you very much.